Hi everybody, welcome back to Little Sprouts here at Garland Nursery. My name's TG and today I'm going to teach you how to make a mini terracotta houseplant planter. So gather all of your supplies and then we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is decorate our pot with these cute little press-on transfer stickers. So you ask your parent for a coin if you don't already have one. We're going to use that to push them on. So pick whatever sticker you'd like to start with. Peel the white backing off so that it's just the sticker and the clear piece. And then place it on the pot where you'd like it to go. Kind of rub it on with your finger. And then use the coin that you have to rub all over the colored part of the sticker. That's what will transfer it to the pot. Right, and then when you're done rubbing, you can gently peel the plastic piece off and you have a nice little stamp on your pot. So I'm going to do a couple of more while you do yours as well. Okay, I've got all my stickers placed now, so it's time to plant our plant. So grab your bag of soil and fill the planter up about halfway. A couple little handfuls. Then make a little bit of a hole in the middle and gently squeeze the sides of your little plastic pot to loosen up the soil. And then you can tip the pot over and just gently squeeze until the roots come loose. Ooh, there we go. And then place your plant in the middle of the planter, or wherever you'd like it. And then we'll add the rest of the soil. You want to gently push down with your fingers so that the soil is compact and holds your plant nice and steady in the middle. Make sure to leave a little room at the top for watering so it doesn't overflow. All right, there's our nice beautiful plant. Now it's time to make our care card. So get the little care card out and grab a pen. And to help you fill it out, we put the instructions in your growing guide. So the common name of this plant is the polka dot plant. So we'll write that in. And this plant needs bright, indirect light to grow. So it needs to be bright, but not directly in the sun. And this plant needs to be watered when the top 1 inch of soil is dry. All right, and that way you remember exactly what your plant needs to live its best, healthiest life. You can stick the care card on the little stick and stick it in your plant so you always remember. And since our soil is dry right now, we want to give it a little bit of water. So to measure it for dryness, you can just stick your finger right in it. And if it's dry all the way up to your very first knuckle, then it's time to water. Just give it a nice little bit of water. All right, and your houseplant planter is done. Now all you need to do is find a perfect spot for it in your home, and then remember to check for water every couple of days. Okay, little sprouts, we're all finished for this month, Make sure to clean up your area, get all that dirt off of the table or wherever you are working, and just make sure to check on your plant every couple of days to make sure that it's doing well. Have a great time. We'll see you next month.